We just thought that it was the Northern Lights. We were in Vic and drove down here thinking it was the Northern Lights. And as we got closer, it was a volcanic eruption.
Yeah.
And it's like the coolest thing I've seen in my whole life, honestly.
It's very cool. At first I was a little scared. I was like, is this safe? But yeah, seeing it up close.
Yeah. And it's really nice out here with everybody just watching it.
Yeah, it's actually very beautiful to look at, but yeah.
We've never seen anything like that before.
Yeah, we don't have stuff like this happening in the US.
Yeah.
It was very random, honestly, because we didn't know that it's happening. And out of the blue, like our friend here, like from Iceland, he's telling us there's like an eruption. So we were like, okay, let's go quickly. Yeah.
We have like a volcano as well, like we cannot see lava like this, and honestly, it was so impressive. I'm more than happy. Yeah.
Yeah.